Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 0x80070543 when Windows update is not downloading or installing in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, if you try to update Windows latest update and fail to install Windows latest update having error code, then here in this video we will see how to fix through various workarounds described in this video. The first one is update. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, and if any update available, click on download and install. If you failed, then go to system from the left side, system settings. Here scroll down and click on troubleshoot. This is an Windows inbuilt tool. Here choose other troubleshooters and click on run against Windows update troubleshoot. So the first and initial workaround is run Windows update troubleshoot in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. The next workaround to fix this issue is there may be a possibility of a storage issue. So go to Windows search and in search field type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist, and here under files to delete make the check against various options: temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, temporary files, thumbnails and some other, and thereafter click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose yes. It will clear all your update caches, temporary files and folders and release extra space to your system. The next workaround is right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. Here in run dialog box type the command services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. You will have to start or restart various Windows update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and choose a start or restart. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart background intelligent transfer service. In my case is a stop mode, so we will start it, and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is cryptographic services. Scroll down and look for cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose a start, otherwise restart. The following services will also restart, so choose yes. Once completed, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Go to W alphabet, scroll down and look for Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it, choose start or restart, whichever applicable to you, and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties, and you can't change its startup type, so simply close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Same process, right click on it, choose start, otherwise restart, and apply a double click on it to open its properties, and same a startup type should be automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter restart your system and check whether your Windows activation or Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, first execute this 3DISM tool as shown on a screen. This 3DISM tool execute one by one in command prompt Windows followed by enter key on each time. DISM online cleanup image scanhealth, DISM online cleanup image checkhealth, and DISM online cleanup image restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there, and thereafter execute the command SFC/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Once successfully executed these commands, restart your system. This command will take some time till 100% verification complete. Wait, and after that restart your system and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, you will have to execute some Windows update components as shown on a screen. One by one execute all these components. First execute these 4 commands to stop these 4 services. Execute one by one in command prompt Windows. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. After that, execute some other Windows update components as shown on a screen. Execute all this one by one followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute all these 4 commands to start all those 4 services. You have earlier stopped them, now start them. Execute one by one to start them. Once completed, close the windows and don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, manually download and install Windows latest update in your system through Microsoft Update Catalog. Open your Google Chrome browser and here in search field look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter and choose first appeared result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it. Here in search field type the desired KV update which you want to download and install, and fail to install KV update. Simply type here and click on search. The searched KV update will available. Simply click on download and install button to manually download and install Windows latest update to your Windows 11 and 10 system.